Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Vinny, All Gamer 31 here. Today, I will be, actually, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. But today is Thursday. I just uploaded my vlog from yesterday. I went to McDonald's, got a quarter pounder and what was I going to say? Vanilla milkshake. Yeah, it was really good. Then my stomach started hurting. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. But it is 7:34. 7:35. Just turned 7:35. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but, yeah, I have to go to school today. Might be doing some soldering, but there's some poor weather out there. You guys could see. Let me just flip the camera around so you guys could see. There it is. See all that wetness, all that. And then open the window up. You got all that stuff. And yeah, it is a mess. So, yeah, I'm just going to go see what I have planned for today, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so guys, I just looked at the calendar today, and we had nothing going on, so we will be free. Let's see what's going on. The dogs are barking at these kids. Yeah, because everybody walks that way to get to their school. We live right near school. But anyways, guys, I need to go to school soon because I can't talk forever. So I will see you in a little bit. So guys, I got home from school now. Might sound relaxed, but I'm actually not really like intense right now because what I saw at school was really, it's hard to explain, but it was it was weird, but oh my gosh, that feeling. But anyways, so I got home, we had nothing to really do. Yeah, but tonight's Thursday Night SmackDown, so remember, keep in the vlog. Remember to, what was I going to say? Oh, yeah. Remember to, count Thursday Night SmackDown on my vlog, and same on Monday Night Raw. I don't want to repeat myself, so, yeah, because it's kind of old, repeated now. But, yeah. So, count them. I don't know what I should do, but really can't really scooter today because my mom has my scooter in her car because I put it in the car for some reason. Okay. Why am I yawning? I'm not that tired. But anyways, guys. So yeah, I got home from school. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'll see you in a little bit. So guys, as you just saw, I did time lapse. Sorry if it gets black when I put it on. Sometimes it does that, but last time it didn't do that. So hopefully it doesn't do that. And I just took a shower, and my hair's still like this for some reason. And I took all the gel out, so Yeah, and I don't know what to do because it's sort of like it won't stop going over. But yeah, I'm going on the computer to see some stuff. See if this laptop will work. Yeah, but let's see. Okay, that's not plugged in. But guys, I just want to give a few shout outs. Number one goes out to goes out to trick_shots VLAT. I don't know why. It's just my brother's in there, his friends are in there. Why not? Get them subscribers. They're actually pretty cool on Instagram too. There you go. Computer's on. So yeah, shout outs to them. Gamer Bros 219. Shout out to them. Jake Lucas, shout out to him. Hold on. And obviously, I want to give a shout out to myself. Well, I don't actually have to. Just subscribe, like this video. Yeah. Anyone else? No. But anyways, guys, so I'm going on the computer. So I will see you in a little. So guys, I'm watching Thursday Night SmackDown. And it's Dolph Ziggler versus The Miz. Sorry if this vlog's really, really short, but that's not the end. The computer won't work. It's too slow, so I'm not going to use that. So, yeah. I think, in my opinion, Dolph Ziggler is going to win, but you never know. The Miz could pull off some trick to get Dolph Ziggler. Yeah. During the commercial break, for WWE, I decided to, even though my room's already messy, just, why not, to do the shooting cup thing, do one round, and then done. So let me set you guys up. I don't really see. That's an awesome. No.
Okay, what is this?
Okay, good.
Really icy.
Get this computer mouse off.
It's disappearing as I'm doing it. Oh, it's not a gum, not a mint.
Get the cups.
School blast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's all the cups if you guys can see. Now I just need to reload the gun. Gather all the bullets. Or rather some bullets at least. Yeah, I'm only going to do a few bullets. See what I can knock down. I was just on, something called, like, it's just like FaceTime, but it's way better than FaceTime with Gamer Bros 219. Well, just Luke. I'm just going to call them by Luke and Keith. But I was just on FaceTime. Well, yeah. Just Talk. It's a really cool app to FaceTime. You get to draw while you are talking. You get to, you get to do a lot of things while you're talking. So I have how much balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold on, guys. Yeah?
It all starts with the mechanic. Saturday at 1:30 on USA.
Oh, okay. So guys, let's go. My finger just got stuck in the barrel. Yeah. But guys, 5 minutes. I need to go get my sister. So, yeah. Just get this loaded, which is in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. There's the Miz. Oh shoot, is one jammed? Oh, come on. Well, let's just sweep this thing out. Done. So yeah, like I said, please count Thursday Night SmackDown as, you know, part of my vlog. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Thumbs up this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.